Alright guys, today we're going to do addition with regrouping and review this. We have 3 problems here. The first one here says, Ashley and Alex collected soda cans to recycle. Ashley had 275 cans and Alex had 168 cans. How many cans did they have in all? Now, a strategy that many of you guys have liked to use is drawing out the flats. So 270, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other number is 168 cans. So 163, 4, 5, 6, and 8. All right, so now we need to add our ones. So we have 5, 5, and 3 make 13. So we need to add, we take a 3 in the ones place and we need to add a 1 in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is 4 tens and 1 100. And 100, 200, 300, 400. So 443. Okay, so they had 433 cans because we need to make sure we remember the units and write it in a sentence. If we want to do the algorithm, then we're just going to put 275, add 168. We'll do the same thing. 5 and 8 make 13. 7 and 1 make 8 tens. 8 tens and 6 tens makes 14 tens, or 4 tens and 10 makes 100. So 100, 200, 300, 400. 443. Okay. The next one says, Dakota and Marcus are raising money to donate to their local animal shelter. Dakota raised 297 and Marcus raised 325. How much money did they raise in all? Go ahead and try that one on your own and pause this video. You're going to want to make sure they raised blank money in all. How do I figure this one out? Well, I can stack them. 297, put 325. What 7 ones and 5 ones make? 12 ones. So 2 and a 10 make 12. 1 10, 9 tens makes 10 tens. 10 tens plus 2 makes 12 tens. 12 tens is 2 tens and 100. So 3 hundreds plus 2 hundreds plus 100 is 6 hundreds. So they raised 622 in all. All right, the next one. Miranda loves to collect pennies in her special penny jar. She had 712 pennies in the jar, and her grandma just gave her 189 more. How many pennies does she have in all? All right, go ahead and pause that and solve it. She has blank pennies total, or she has blank pennies in all. We're going to solve that. You can solve it any way that you want to solve it, but if you want to check your work, we'll do 189 pennies plus 712 pennies. So 9 and 2 ones makes 11 ones, or 1 1 and 1 10. 8 tens plus 2 tens is 10 tens, and 10 tens is 0 tens and 100. And 7 hundreds plus 100 plus 200 more is 900. So 901 pennies total. I hope that you guys had a good time reviewing and that you remember how to do this, because we're going to be working a lot more on this later.